special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 8:15 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waukegan Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Special marine warning from the National Weather Service. 40 p.m. in large hail. At 7:34 p.m., radar severe thunderstorm was located near Waukegan Harbor, damaging the higher wind knots. Southerly highway hazard. Wind large hail could result in structural damage. Source. Location at 7:36 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Waukegan Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and southerly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for northeastern Illinois and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. The pressure was 29.69 inches and the humidity was 60% around the area. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KMSO 39 Chicago.